Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today we'll start a series of holiday candies that I'm going to be sharing with you. And first up is Mounds candy bars. So you need coconut flakes. I have the sweetened coconut flakes. I have some milk chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk. You're going to need a measuring cup. You're going to need 2 bowls, a spoon of course. Last, you're going to need a lined baking sheet. This recipe is so easy, and it's one of the reasons why I chose to share it with you. So I'm going to give you the rundown. You're going to need 3 cups of shredded coconut. You're going to need 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. And you have to have your chocolate chips to melt to, roll them in it. I'm going to start mixing our coconut. And you need 3 cups. Then you're going to measure out 1 cup of your sweetened condensed milk. You just add it to your mixture after you have measured it out. Start mixing all of your ingredients together until they're all well blended. After all of your ingredients are combined, mixed well, the next thing you're going to want to do is going to get sticky. But the end result will be worth it. You have to take your hands and mold this mixture into oblong shapes. Place them on your baking sheet. Okay, I managed to make 12 bars. I did a couple of them in like ball shapes just because it was easiest. Literally, this is the first time I make these, and this is the worst, stickiest mess of a candy I've ever made. I've made a lot of candies. This and potato candy so far are the messiest. And hot sticky mess, I'm telling you guys. So the next thing you do after you shape them in the oblong shape, rectangle shape, ball, whatever you want to do, square, it's completely up to you. Just make sure they're molded into something, and you're going to put them in the freezer for 20 minutes. While we wait for the candy in the freezer, I'm just going to get my second bowl and get my chocolate chips ready to start melting. Now I'm going to use the microwave. You can also, there's tons of tutorials on how to do a double boiler on YouTube, as well as you can skip out on doing the chocolate chips, and you could do the chocolate melts, and that's much easier as well. Either route you go is fine. So I'm only going to do about half of the bag first because this can cool down really quickly. Now I have my chocolate melted and my candies are out of the freezer. So you can guess what's next. Start rolling them in the chocolate. You can add sprinkles or anything on top of them to make them more festive. So basically that's it. Now after I roll the rest of these in chocolate, I'm going to place them back in the freezer to set up for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, just to harden the chocolate so we can store them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found the recipe helpful. Hopefully you'll try it out for yourself. These are delicious. They taste just like a Mounds bar. I hope you guys will try the recipe out for yourselves. Now, I always think candies are great for gift giving and taking to, of course, like holiday parties and stuff. So I think these are a perfect addition. They're not too expensive to make, super easy, a little bit messy, but so delicious. Stay tuned for more recipes. If you enjoyed the recipe, like the video, want to see more recipes, like the video, subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming recipes. Happy holidays, and thank you guys always for watching.